good on my arms. This is it. Okay. I'm gonna do this in 3 easy steps. Charlotte, here I come. Let's get into this wig. Okay, so really quick, let me tell y'all about this wig. It has 6 inches of parting space. Part is so long. Also, this wig can be worn as a glueless unit, no glue. And on top of it all, this is a closure. So silky and straight. Now, let's get into this video. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig. I must transform for you guys really quick. I gotta drive out of town, go do my niece's hair. Because she's in college. I will leave her cash app below if you just want to bless that child. You can, you know, you can. It's going to be a really quick install. This is a closure wig. Pop this bad boy on. Oh, it feels good on my arms. This is it. Okay, I'm ready to pull up to the school looking like one of the students. I'm going to do this in 3 easy steps. Color my lace, hot comb my part, spray it down with holding spray, and that's gonna be it. Okay, let me hot comb this part so I can see what I'm working with, because this band like this is a distraction. So let's hot comb that flat. Ooh, and it's a long part. Chess, talk to me. I'm using a little bit of my wax stick. This is by She's Bomb Collection. Okay, so I'm going to use She's Bomb glue and hairspray. It just works out better when you use a generous amount. Now I'll put this. Alright, already I need a little swoopity swoopity. Alright, that's the install. That was quick. Now I just need to flat iron it. I need to stay on all weekend, so now go over a little holder spray. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit on here for a while. Okay, so I don't know, it's been forever, but at least it's the same day. Let's go ahead and put the cherry on top. I'm being lazy because we really don't need much. I'm just running my flat irons through it. That's how soft this hair is. Like this before and this after. 2 minutes. Yes, baby. Charlotte, here I come. Like, let me go see my boo-boo in Charlotte. She is at Johnson C. Smith, so y'all shout out to my niece for doing her thing, even after a very traumatic experience of losing her mother. She still found the strength to keep going, so shout out to her. And shout out to me for slaying this wig. Okay. Headed to Charlotte. Look at me watching Netflix. Alright, because I'm doing the most. And the college girl, say what's up?
Not that college girl.
And that college dude, say what's up?
Not that.
Take your head off.
I gotta have him. What the?
Chris, buddy. Say bye. Peace out. See you later. Love you. All right, to the crib I go. Stop playing with this hair. This is some good quality hair. Alright you guys, that's all for this video. Leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. Let me know what you think and I'll see you guys next time.